Hello everyone. My name is Indy and I'm the Director of Midwifery at the Fernandez Foundation. Today, I'm here to extend a warm invitation to all of you to join us at the upcoming Better Birthing Conference, scheduled to take place on the 4th and 5th of November 2023 right here in Hyderabad. The Better Birthing Conference promises to be an enlightening and empowering event, bringing together experts, practitioners, and enthusiasts from the field of maternity care. Our aim is to foster knowledge exchange and to collectively work towards improving birthing experiences for women and families. I'm particularly excited to announce that I will be facilitating a workshop on water births, a topic that holds a special place in my heart. Joining me in this endeavor is Usha Ukande, the President of Society of Midwives in India. Together, we will explore the benefits of water birth and how they can contribute to providing women with blissful birthing experiences. We believe that by shedding light on this practice, we can empower both expectant mothers and healthcare professionals to make informed choices that prioritize the well-being of mothers and babies. So, I sincerely hope to see each and every one of you at the Better Birthing Conference in Hyderabad on the 4th and 5th of November 2023. Let's come together to learn, share, and make a positive impact on the world of maternity care. Thank you and look forward to your participation.